Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun cactus Dollar Tree DIY for you. So I like to think outside of the box and do a fun theme, especially for summer and fall for my tier tray, and I thought cactus would be a really great idea, kind of unexpected. And so I picked up one of these cactuses from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we would make it look like a saguaro cactus. So I'm using some of those little peel and stick dot stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I am just doing rows. You can kind of start and stop them wherever you want. Just kind of tear the glue and gluing those all down. I did go up like the arms, are they called arms, of a cactus as well to make sure everything was studded, even the base. I thought that would give a really fun texture to this cactus, and it turned out so cute. So we're going to go in now with just some green paint, and we are going to paint our cactus all over. As you can see, those little button stickers like that from the Dollar Tree paint really well. Since it's going on a tier tray, you're going to be able to see it from all directions, so I wanted to make sure that I painted the back of it as well. I found so many fun cactus items for my tier tray at Dollar Tree, and so many fun DIYs that I made in this video. For the base, I wanted it to look different than the green, so I just stained the wood with some antique wax by Waverly, wiping off the excess. I thought it'd be really cute to have a flower on it, and I couldn't find a flower at Dollar Tree small enough, but you know what? If you take the center out of a larger flower like that, you can make a small flower, and I think this is just the perfect color. I attach it to the top of my cactus with a little bit of hot glue, and I think this piece is ready to go. I put this on the top of my 3-tier tray, and let me give you a little sneak peek of all the fun Dollar Tree finds and DIYs that I made for this tray. And if you'd like to watch the full video, I do have it over on my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach, so you can see how I put all of these items together. Some really fun DIYs, some items like the house and stuff like that, the creamer and salt and pepper shaker and stuff like that were already ready to go, but pretty much, I think 95% of the items are from the Dollar Tree. I even added a real cactus that I got at Walmart. And this is how it turned out, my little cactus tier tray. Really fun one to put together.